Watch this garden go from this all the way to this. Yes, indeed. And you could do it too without a green screen. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses Gardening Idea Edition. Yes, it's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I'm so excited about this video because in this video I get to turn this terrible flower bed into something that will make any neighbor envious, okay? And in doing so, I will be using this cardboard, and some red mulch. Wait, I gotta get the red mulch. Let me go get that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I have my red mulch here now, so I am now officially set and ready to go in order to get this flower garden until its perfection that it needs to be. As you saw the other videos where I did the gardening of this plants, it was so much fun, and then I asked you all what color mulch should I choose and select for the bed itself, and you all chose red. It was actually 2 votes, and the 2 votes were red, so red is what we chose because we do this together, okay? It's not just something that I asked, but it's something that I actually act on, and you saying what you desire. So let me go ahead and get this party started, and while I do so, make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Join the DKUJ family because there's so many DIYs, gardening projects, and things like that. Speaking of gardening, do you have your attached to gardening shirt? Because clearly I do, and there's multiple colors that you can choose from. So be on the lookout for that link because it will be below, and you can get the shirts as well. So let me do the first things first because I have to go ahead and like de-weed or detangle, whatever I'm gonna call it, whatever it is. Get all of these weeds and messes out. Go ahead and pick those, get them out of the flower bed, and then lay the cardboard, and then lay the mulch, and then, ladies and gentlemen, we will have something worth smiling about because right now it is bad, okay? But when I'm done, I'm gonna invite all my friends over because it will be something spectacular for everybody to see. So remember it now, because it won't look like that any much longer. Let's go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so now that I have that done, I got it all pretty much cleared out to the liking. Now that you can see the flowers, like that was the main reason why I went on ahead and did that. Remember, you don't actually have to. It does look better, but more than anything, I wanted to know what my lines were and what the spaces were under my flowers before putting down a cardboard. So, you know, I wanted to know my space. I wanted to know where the roots and things were before I laid down the cardboard, then the mulch. So that is why I did what I did. But I'm so glad I did because there were so many weeds down there and not necessarily growth. Like some look like flowers, some were masks and things like that. So I got them up. Pick. Peter Pecker, pick them bad boys up, and now they're gone. And so now I can go ahead and lay down the cardboard. I'm gonna start on this side, the front side, work my way all the way down, and then from there it is the mulch. So let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And so let me do what I need to do and lay it out, ladies and gentlemen. Lay it out. Woo! Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so now that that is done, I am waiting to the end to decide which part of it all is the most exhausting, okay? And hopefully by the time Rain gets here, she will be able to rate how she likes how everything turned out and looks. But nonetheless, this is what it looks like with this cardboard edging. And the benefit of the cardboard is so you know, and me in this case know, what is my outline for laying my mulch. So I have all the way on this corner area where it rounds about. I also too have the cardboard rounding out and things like that. So those are some things to keep in mind that are beneficial when using your cardboard to lay out before doing your mulching. So in other words, sheet mulching. Mulching before you mulch. So this will help keep the weeds down and keep out what you want out and keep down what you want down. So nonetheless, hey, here we go. And I will say, it will be interesting if ever I decide to add more plants to the flower bed. I will have to dig through all of these different things. So hey, whatever, keep those things in mind when you're doing what I'm doing. But nonetheless, I'm done. I'm done planting out here. It is what it is. It won't be what it won't be. In other words, let's go ahead and put the mulch down. 8 bags in, ladies and gentlemen, and this is what we have. Now don't mind the dustiness of the raised bed. I mean not the raised bed, but the pallet deck. I was putting some dirt and things on it. I'm gonna sweep that off, change that bench off, put the old one back on there, and that will look a whole lot better. But nonetheless, this is what we have. Now, I severely underestimated how many bags of mulch I will need for this project. I picked up 8 bags thinking that would be enough. I thought I would need like 6 to 8, and I did 8 on the top end. However, probably need about 4 more bags because I have a corner that is untouched currently. I have behind here the red, the flowers over there that needs to be touched. Back here, see, I'm not afraid to show y'all. This did not finish. Back there that needs to be touched, and even behind the pallet deck itself. Let me just show you. Let me show you because it will be finished, so I'm not ashamed of what it looks like now. Boom. Okay, so all of that needs to be taken care of. I believe 4 bags of red mulch will do the trick. So I will go ahead and pick up some of that, and you know, thankfully it's on sale right now, so I can do that. I won't be able to do it today because it's actually about to rain. I don't know if you can see the clouds. The clouds are severely dark, and it is severely darker now than it was before, so I actually finished just in time. But nonetheless, I am already excited with how the outcome turned out. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what you picked. You said red would be the color, and my golly gee, I tell you what, red, my friend, is that color, okay? Well decided, well decided. Bravo, bravo, give yourself a hand. Like this, spectacular, okay? And when I finish it up, I'm telling you, it is going to pop. And I actually thought I picked up enough mulch to like mulch along here. I don't even want to know how many bags that's going to take. Don't even want to know. Quite honestly, literally don't want to know. But nonetheless, this is it. This is how it looks. Coming up into my driveway, you got the red mulch over there looking spectacular and fabulous, making my plants pop, colors pop, and everything snap, crackle, and pop. And yeah, man. So again, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is what we did together, as most of these videos are. I asked you, what do you think I should do? And most likely I will take your recommendations. And now, with that being said, I have another question. What do you think I should do? Should I put the rocks along the edge of it to finish it off? I have the rocks there, which you can already see some over there looking like that. Boom, have that little situation like just going and crack-a-lacking and, you know, going up along the edge of the bed? Or should I just leave it, you know, raw and let it do what it do? Let me know in the comment section below. And as always, I thank you. I love you. And I want you to have a good day, because you should have a good day, because it's a good day to have a good day, and you're a good person. So I want you to have a good day. All right? If you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell notification. Smash that thumbs up button. And I much appreciate you all. And until next time, until next video, have a great day. I love you. Peace